Umbutho i-South African National Civic Organisation okanye iSANCO ngamafutshane ungenise isikhalazo kumkhuseli woluntu wesizwe nxamnye nomphathi wesixeko saseGoli uFloyd Brink malunga noko okubiza ngokuba kukuphazamiseka kwezopolitiko. Okuza emva kokuba uBrink enikezele ingxelo kwibhunga lomasipala elikhokelwa yi-ANC ekuqaleni kwale nyanga, inyathelo iSANCO elixela njengontyumpa-tyumpeko phakathi kwemisebenzi yezolawulo lwesixeko kunye nopolitiko lwamaqela. Unobhala weSANCO eGoli uDumisani Mudladlaba uthi njengagosa lomasipala uBrink akanalo igunya lokondlala ingxelo yemicimbi yesixeko phambi kweqela lezopolitiko.
Ihlela ukuvulela umphathi kamasipala wesifunda iGoli icala inhlangano yomphakathi iSANCO ngesenzo sakhe sokugxambukela emsebenzini weqembu elithile. Unobhala walenhlangano eGoli uDumisani Mudladlaba ubeke kanje ngalolu daba.
It has come to our attention that Mr. Brink attended the African National Congress ANC Greater Johannesburg Regional Lekgotla held from 16 to 18 January in the Vaal. This gathering was a partisan political event of a registered political party. Mr. Brink attended this gathering in his capacity as city manager of the city of Johannesburg. SANCO is deeply concerned that this conduct constitutes a breach of the principle of political neutrality required of municipal managers. In terms of Section 56A of the Local Government Municipality System Act 32 of 2000, the municipality manager is the accounting officer of the municipality and is required to act in a professional, impartial and political neutral manner. We further request that appropriate remedial action be considered should the investigation confirm any breach. We trust that your office will treat this matter with the seriousness it deserves in the interest of ethical leadership, good governance and public trust in local government. I thank you.
Lenhlangano kithi uma udaba lukaBrink lingathathelwa phezulu bazosusa ukukhulela ngoqo emashi ukuqhubeka nokuzwakalisa izikhalo zabo. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV kube komqondisi Miyeni ngesePitoli.